If you've ever wondered how developers solve complex coding problems or ace big tech interviews, it all starts with one thing: mastering data structures and algorithms, or DSA. In this video, we'll walk through a complete step-by-step roadmap to learn DSA using Python. Even if you're a complete beginner, before diving into DSA, you need a solid foundation in Python. Start with the basics: variables, loops, functions, and classes. There are plenty of free tutorials online, and Python's simplicity makes it perfect for learning algorithms quickly. Make sure you're comfortable with Python syntax and data types like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Free resources from channels, like at DSA Books, can help guide you through this learning phase. Choosing the right learning material can save you a lot of time. Books like Cracking the Coding Interview. The tutorials from Cracking the Coding Interview are great starting points. Stick with one or two reliable sources and follow them consistently. Now, dive into the heart of DSA. Start with the basics: arrays, lists, stacks, queues, and linked lists. Then move on to trees, graphs, and hash tables. Understand not just how they work, but when and why to use each one. Next, explore important algorithms, such as sorting, searching, and recursion. Learn algorithms like quicksort, merge sort, binary search, and dynamic programming. And don't forget to analyze their time and space complexity to understand how efficient they are. The real secret to mastering DSA is practice. Solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Codeforces. Start with easier problems, then gradually move to harder ones as your confidence grows. Understanding Big O notation is also crucial. It helps you evaluate how efficient your code is. For example, an ON solution might work fine for small inputs, but could slow down drastically for larger ones. Learn to identify and improve this efficiency. Don't just read about algorithms, implement them from scratch. Write your own stack, linked list, or graph traversal in Python. This hands-on experience will deepen your understanding far more than just following tutorials. Once you've grasped the fundamentals, apply them in projects. Create mini-projects like a simple game, a chatbot, or a web app that handles data efficiently. If you need inspiration, check out @programming_experts for project ideas. Everyone gets stuck sometimes, and that's perfectly normal. Join online communities, forums, or study groups to connect with other learners. Discuss solutions, share your code, and learn from others' approaches. Make it a habit to review what you've learned every few weeks. Re-implement old algorithms without checking your notes. This repetition reinforces your knowledge and builds long-term understanding. When you're ready, test your skills in competitive programming contests. These challenges help improve your speed, accuracy, and problem-solving under pressure. Remember, technology evolves fast. Stay updated with new algorithms, techniques, and problem-solving trends. Follow tech blogs, YouTube channels, and communities that focus on Python and DSA. Once you're comfortable, start contributing to open-source projects. It's an amazing way to gain experience, work with real-world code, and collaborate with other developers. And finally, teach what you've learned. Share your knowledge through tutorials, blog posts, or mentoring others. Teaching is one of the most powerful ways to reinforce your own understanding. So there you have it, your complete roadmap to mastering data structures and algorithms using Python. It's not about how fast you go, but how consistent you are. Start small, stay curious, and keep coding. Like, subscribe, and keep learning.